It's a 3-in-1 bottle warmer. All right, it's 0+ month, sterilization function, heat function, fast warming, and BPA free. All right, this does not look like fancy from outside because I can see the button, on and off button right there. So let's open the box and see what's included inside. A warmer here, and we have a quick instruction manual here. So make sure you read whole thing to understand on how to use this product. So we have here lift out basket, indicator light, main body, on and off button, water vial. They have all the instructions over here, what to do, what's not to do. Okay, all right, that's all. It's pretty simple. So let's open this. This is what the product looks like. Okay, so you have a basket here, and this is a water vial. Let's see if we can take this out. Okay, this is a water vial, and we have a basket here, and underneath it's a little plate, the hot plate. Okay, and there's the indicator light here, and it has all the water measuring guide, recommended minute markings. Please only use distilled pure water to prevent scale formation. All right, they give you this measuring cup, and they have a minute over here. This might not be correct, but they have a rough estimation here. So how long you want to do it, you just simply fill the water up to 2 minutes, 5 minutes, like that, and then simply you can, after filling here, you can pour out over here. Okay, plug this in. We have the water over here for 1 minute. Let me pour this in, and I'll place the basket here, and I'll plug this in. So once you plug in, you will see the light over here, right? So I have a 1 ounce of water over here. I'll just place it over there, and there is just simply on and off button. Okay, so 0 is off, 1 is on. So it looks like it was already on, so I can see the warming noise already in there. Wow, it's pretty fast, within a few seconds. So I see that water, there's no more water. All right, so it's pretty warm, not that bad. But you just need to make sure you sit in there and turn it off when the water goes out, right? But that 1 minute mark is really not an accurate, but definitely that's an estimation. If you fill out more than 1 minute, definitely it will do it more than 1 minute, but it's warm. Yeah, just press 0 for off, press 1 for on. And now I can see that there's 1 and 0 is off. It goes right away for warming water. All right guys, that's all.